growth. Like a red sun rising gradually in the east, like a bright moon cascading everywhere. In 1994, a legendary chapter started grandly in Yuhuan of Zhejiang, from 200 employees to 2 billion yuan assets. From a small workshop to the present 3 major production bases. From learning from Europe and America to owning 200+ patents, Zoje is always grasping the best chance in competition and standing at the front in the industry. Through 2 decades of trials, Zoje is progressing against all hardships. After 20 years of ups and downs in the commercial world, Zoje became the champion, looking for selling points and looking for positioning, expanding the market, working out new products, and building up the brand, thinking calmly in hesitation, and preparing forces for development in adversity, never taking things easy in smooth situation, and never forgetting the initial aspiration in time of harvest. The 10 Hope Primary Schools have shown our social responsibility as a listed enterprise, sponsoring China National Government Association Award for 6 times in succession exclusively, has reflected the foresight and judicious judgment of a leading enterprise in the industry. Although the 20 years, Zoje won honors one after another, keeping steady development without wavering. Although the 20 years, Zoje spurred forward, making its dreams come true, without saying give up. Thanksgiving. It is the lighthouse that shines on the sea in the dark night. It is the helmsman who masters the direction for advance. 2 decades of hard struggle, full of ordeals and zigzags. 2 decades of dreaming, with too many unforgettable stories. Their lofty sentiments, galloping in the battlefields. The females cherished their great ambition, being determined to accomplish. I saw you busied yourselves in the market, making progress against difficulties. I saw you coped with problems aggressively, making bold decisions. I saw you opened up new channels, scaling new heights bravely. I saw you went all out with surging enthusiasm. I saw you worked with perseverance, aiming high. I saw you overcame roadblocks, achieving great successes. For 20 years, we walked hand in hand, never separating or giving up. For 20 years, we were full of gratitude in heart to you for your accompanying. Dear friend, I cheer for you because your hope is just Zoje's hope. Dear friend, I cheer for you because your efforts just represent Zoje's direction. In retrospect to the hard past, we were full of confidence for the bright future. On this stage, with all kinds of splendor, we keep very modest, ready for battle any time. Our common Zoje, our common cause. The glory of 2 decades has passed, and looking ahead, we are marching together. In 2014, the brand new Zoje will focus our attention even more. We shall keep the dignity of Made in China and realize the determination to revive our great nation. We shall adhere to our road of quality accomplishing outstanding Zoje and create the story of great rise of China.